Diana, how are you?
I'm good.
Today, also, I want to copy you. I'm also actually using a big headphone.
Oh, I
Can you
don't
hear
have the
me?
mic. Yeah, I can hear
Can
you.
you hear me well? Okay, very
Yeah.
good. So, Shahina, what's that?
I think a fire truck or an ambulance. I'm not sure.
Yeah. So, Shahina, you saw the last question, 13, if you remember. It
Yeah.
was wonderful. So, how about how was the review questions? Could you solve some questions from there, or you didn't have time?
Oh yeah, the review questions. I was doing it, but then I forgot to save a lot, and then most of it erased, except like the ones I last saved. But I
Okay,
should be done by like tomorrow.
okay.
Tomorrow, yeah.
Shahina, can you open that file and let's have a look? Review questions two, right?
Okay. This one, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, this one. Okay, Shahina, can you give me a minute? I'll be back soon.
Okay.
Hello, Shahina?
Hello. I can hear you.
Okay, good. I didn't like the headphone. It's too heavy.
Uh,
I decided to change this. Okay. All right, Shahina, let's continue. Let me see how you solve these questions, okay? If everything is good, maybe we will solve only odd number questions. And if you go slow, maybe all questions. Now, actually, really, I'm really happy because you are actually solving these problems pretty well. If you really understand how to solve these problems, we can actually go much faster than before, because what we are going to learn in the next chapters, like chapter 4, 5, 6, is all about this kind of problems. Okay. And that's why every time when you just look at the problem, when you read this immediately, if the idea comes now, you can visualize the method and you can just write down the variable and form your equation. That is the most important thing for us. So Shahina, let's just move down. Example one, I think you have already solved, right? Okay. Can you zoom in a little bit? Click on plus maybe 2 times. One more time, one more.
okay.
Good. Uh, can I see this question? The numerator of a fraction 2 less than the denominator. That means it is, okay, x minus 2. And you subtract 3 from the both numerator and denominator. The fraction becomes 3 over 4. Very good. Is x minus 5, x minus 3, and cross multiply 4x minus 20. It is x equals 11. Excellent. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, this equations, okay, stop. All right. And you just cross multiply 40 minus 5x. It is 6x plus 9. Okay, take to the side, 11, 31. So why did it stop here, Shahina?
No, the rest erased, but I forgot to like.
Oh,
click on
okay,
the
okay,
save.
Shahin. Let's continue from here.
Okay.
Shahina, why did you save in different name? Why did you write the review questions 2W, not 2?
I don't think I wrote 2W. It just came like that.
Oh, okay, no problem. Then we just save file like this, and later we can just delete the W. Okay, let's continue.
Okay.
And the Shahina, now, as I see, actually, you know the method, you know that you have the idea, okay? So now try to solve the questions a little bit faster, okay? And some calculations you can just do mentally. You don't have to write every step now, okay?
Okay. 6 minus 5x equals to 9.
Shahina, why this 6x minus 5x?
So for negative 5x, I did like negative 5x minus 6x, and then I switched them around. So 6x minus 5x.
So actually, if you take minus 5x to the right-hand side, it becomes 6x plus 5x, right?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay, now it's correct. And
Oh,
Shahina, you are taking 9 to the left-hand side. It will be 40 minus
minus 9.
9. 40 minus 9.
Okay, 40 minus 9. Okay. 6x plus
Okay.
5x, that is 11x equals to minus 9. That is 21. So 1x equals to 11.
Okay. Immediately, just write equal, and can you change this to mixed number?
This?
Yeah, it's not improper
Oh,
fraction, right? Because numerator is greater than denominator. Can you change it into mixed number? How many 11s do we have in 31? 2, right?
2.
2.
And that's 2.
So 31 minus 22, that is 9, right? It is 9 over 11.
Okay.
Yeah, as you know, these kind of questions immediately, so you need to just count how many 11s can we have in 31. So it's not 3, so it is less than 2. So here we have 22 plus 9 over 11. 22 over 11, it is 2. And here we have 9 over 11. Right? Okay, very good, Shahina. Continue. Next question, B. Let's save it first.
X equals 2 9 over 11.
Okay. Shahina, can you see that the review questions? We have review questions. Okay. Save it, save it. Okay, can you click on save? Let's see what we have. So there are 2 files there.
Okay.
So you need to delete one of them actually. Here now it becomes 2. You see, W is deleted.
Okay. Okay. Um, and, okay.
Okay, question B.
Okay, that is 4 over x plus 2 equals to that's 6 over 2x plus 7. 4x plus 8 equals
Shahina,
2.
can you write your 7 with like this? Because sometimes you may get confused. It looks like 1. Okay.
Oh, yeah. 12x plus 42. Okay. 4x.
So Shahina, if you actually make this mistake, you better write always. Can you just show with arrowhead? Like 12x are taken to the left and 8 to the right. Right? Here we will have 4x minus 12x. On the right hand side, we have 42. We are bringing this to the other side. So it is minus 8.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
You
so
make the same mistake again because you are taking this 4x to the right. You need to write here 12x minus 4x.
X minus 4x equals to 12x. 12x minus 8. Okay.
No. What? I don't understand. What is it?
12x minus 8. 12x.
Oh, 12x is already on the left hand side, right? Why
Oh,
I
no,
writing?
not 12x.
Yes,
Okay.
Shahina, look, stop. Look, so that's what I'm talking about. Okay, here, if you always take the unknown to the left hand side, okay, because now here you are taking this 4x to the right hand side and also this 8 to the right hand side. It is not correct. Here, you should take 12x to the left and this 8 to the right. So then we will have here 4x minus 12x. On the right hand side, we have 42 is already there. Now this 8 is changing its side, or we are subtracting 8 from both sides, right? So here we will have minus 8. Then 4x minus 12x is minus 8x. That's equal to 42 minus 8 is 34. Okay, if possible, Shahina, now we can just put this arrowhead so that I can see what you are doing here.
Okay.
In case, until you actually, not to get confused.
Okay. So 4x minus 12x.
Yeah, delete the last row. Delete the last row. Is it correct? 4x minus 12x? Yeah, it's correct. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, continue.
Negative 8x equals to 8. That is 30. So that's 35.
Shahina, look, this numbers, yeah, immediately 32 minus this 8, I can write it as 2 plus 6. 42 minus 2, it is 40. And 40, here we have minus 6. 40 minus 6 is 34.
34, not 35. Wait, 34. X equals to 34 over negative 8. Okay.
Okay.
34.
So both numbers are even numbers. We can simplify. Now first simplify the fraction. Then we can change this to a mixed number because always first reduce the fraction to its lowest term. That means simplify it. 34 8, they are divisible by 4, right? So 34, you can write it as 2 times 17 and 8, 2 times 4.
2 times 17 and 2 times 4. 2 cancels each other. That is 17 over 4 negative. So 4 goes into 17.
Yeah, can you also put equal sign after 34 over 8?
Oh, okay. 4 goes into 4 and 1 over 4.
Very good. Negative, right? Minus.
Yeah, negative. So just write that here.
No, Shahina, don't draw like this. Under, we have space, right? Move a little bit down. Okay, write it there. Dot, dot, dot.
Dot, dot, dot.
Why didn't you write from here, Shahina? Right, from here, not at the corner.
dot 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 x equals 4 and 1
minus 4 and 1 over 4.
minus.
Good, very good.
That looks like a y. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. Oh, wait, we didn't do the other side. Okay.
So what do we do here in the first step?
I think we do. Wait, do we like for this one? Do we do x plus 5 and 3 plus 5?
Yeah, multiply both sides by 6.
Okay. So that's 12. So 6x.
No. Yeah, multiply both sides by 6.
Over 12.
No, Shahina, why are you making this mistake? Why are you multiplying? Not to write fractions anymore, right?
Oh.
What is 6 times 1 over 2? It is equal to 3.
Yeah.
Why we are multiplying by 6? Because 6 is, what is 6? Because 6 is least common multiple of 2 and 3. These numbers, right?
Oh,
here we
yeah.
have 2, here we have 3. That's why.
Okay, so that's 3x.
So Shahina, first write 6 times x over 2 equals 6 times 5 plus x over 3. Then simplify.
Ah. 6, 2, 30 plus 2x. 3x minus x equals to 30. X equals to 30.
30 plus 2x, so it is x equals 30. Okay. Next question.
Okay. 9 over 6. So we're gonna multiply that by 4.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
No. I'm not.
Look, Shahina, here, for example, here, if we have 1 over 4x, by what thing actually I should multiply so that I will not have fraction anymore?
1. No, 9.
No.
Wait, in this case, 1.
We should multiply this by 4x.
Oh, I'm so dumb.
Then here we will have not fraction anymore. As you see here, in the denominator, what we have here, 4x. So you should multiply both sides by 4x. Because if we have, in general, if we have 1 over a, we should multiply by a, right? If we have, okay, very good. Let's do it.
Get it. So it's, we'll multiply 4x by 4x over 9 over 4x minus 5 equals 4x times 4. That'll be 9 minus 20x
Very good.
equals to 16x.
Okay.
And then negative 20x. Negative 20x minus 16 equals to 9.
Shahina, 9 or minus 9?
Oh, minus 9.
Because you are taking this 9 to the right hand side, right? So it must change sign.
Yeah.
So this 16 to the left.
Okay, so then that's negative 20 minus 16. That is 30, 36, right?
Yeah, minus 36, right? Because negative number
Minus
plus negative
36
number.
equals to negative, oh, negative 36. Okay. Minus 36x equals to negative 9. X equals to 36 over 9.
No, Shahina, you're dividing both sides by minus 36, but not by 9. Right? So how can I eliminate this 36? I should put here minus 36 and also put here minus 36.
Oh. Okay. Minus 36. Minus 36. Alright. So minus 36 on x equals negative 9.
So immediately, why don't I simplify, Shahina? Simplify this. Minus minus, it is plus, right? And 36 is 4 times 9. And 9 is 9 times 1. 9 cancels each other. That's equal to 1 over 4.
Oh, true. Okay. So x equals 1 over 4. Okay.
Okay? Because immediately, Shahina, here we have minus minus, immediately cancel them out. And after that, you're factorizing this. 9 times 1. And here we have 9 times 4. And these 9's cancel each other. That's why it's equal to 1 over 4.
Okay.
Good. Let's move to the next question. Shahina, can you go to the folder? Can you open that folder?
Yeah. What was it?
Yeah, can you share your screen with me? I cannot see it now.
You see
So
this?
this one is, what is it? It is 2.
Yeah.
Okay, 2. Why now? It's two same files. Close it. Close one of them. Close it. What is 2W?
Let me see. The same thing, I think?
Yeah, as you see the previous one. As you see?
Oh, yeah.
So now you save this 2W on this review questions too. And that's why you should just keep as a single file, China. Otherwise, you know, I don't know, you may get confused and delete it by mistake. So now you need to delete this file. Can you go to the folder and delete this file, 2W?
Yeah,
Delete
I
it. You
did.
don't need it.
I did it. I deleted it.
Okay, close it first. Close it. You close this file. Close it. Okay. So now delete it. The 2W, you can delete from the folder. No, don't
Yeah, I
close
deleted
this.
it.
Okay, very good now. Continue.
Okay. So, choose. Okay. I don't think we can cross multiply, so we will have to do.
So here we have 2 fractions, 3 fractions, 5, doesn't matter. So in the first chapter, Shahina, what did we learn? We learned how to find the least common multiple of numbers, right? So here we have, what we have here? Here we have 6. Here we have 4. Here we have 12. Now what is it? Least common multiple of 4, 6, and 12? What is
12.
it? 12. So we should multiply both sides by 12 so that we will not have any fraction. Okay?
So that's,
Good.
yeah. So it's 12 times 2x plus 1 over 6 minus x minus 3 over 4 equals to 12 times 5 over 12. Okay. That's gonna be 4x plus 2 minus
No. Okay, 4x. Okay, very good. Okay, continue.
x minus 9 equals 5.
Okay. So Shahina, in this kind of questions, when we have minus, you should be careful. Here, what you are doing here is you're multiplying this 12 by this fraction, right? Actually, what we have here, we have something like this, 12 times, here we have minus x minus 3 over 4, right? So what is this minus? It is negative 1. And now, first, if you multiply 12 by negative, so here we have 12 minus 12 times, and here we have x minus 3 over 4. So 12 over 4 is 3. So here we have negative 3 and x minus 3. We have something like this. So minus 3 times x minus 3x, and minus 3 times minus 3, it is plus 9. As you see here, we are multiplying this minus by this minus. So it becomes plus. So here you need to write plus.
Okay.
No, not there, Shahina. Here you cannot change this. When you are removing the brackets, here you need to write plus. No, here don't change it here. We cannot change it here.
Minus and minus. Okay.
Okay.
4x plus 3x minus.
So Shahina, why don't you simplify now? Why don't you simplify? What is 4x minus 3x?
X.
Just write x.
Okay.
Because now in this step, we need to simplify this, right?
Equals 9 minus. Wait.
The first simplify, Shahina, it is x. What is 2 plus 9? 11, right? X plus 11.
Plus 11 equals 5.
Okay.
Okay, then x equals to 5 minus 11 or 11 plus 5.
No. Why,
Wait.
Shahina? We are taking this 11 to the right hand side. It is plus, it becomes minus. So it's 5 minus 11.
Yeah, I know, but like, what if you like switch it? That's. Wait, you know what? That's. Okay. X equals 2. That is.
Yeah,
X
that's
equals
correct.
to that is.
Okay. Now F. Can you do this without any mistake, Shahina? Only I will give you feedback after you write the final answer. Okay?
Yes.
You have 2 minutes. Shahina, that line is wrong. You need to rewrite this. That is wrong. Delete it and rewrite this. Shahina, why are you multiplying twice? I don't understand. Here, what you are doing here is, okay, 21 over 3. It is 7, right? So here, what we have here, minus, because we call minus, 21 over 3 is 7 times, and here we have 2 times, here we have x minus 4. So what is 7 times 2? It is 14. So you are multiplying these 2 by 7, and more, you are multiplying the inside by 7. You see the y, the 7x here. I have already used this 7 together here.
No, that is but I thought you had to like multiply everything.
Okay, if you multiply, what do we get here, Shahina? Look, 21, right? What we have here is like this, 21 times. Now you are multiplying by the whole fraction. So here we have minus 2x minus 4 over 3, right? It's like this. So that is equal to, I can write it as 3 times 7 times, this minus means it is minus 1, times here we have 2, times here we have x minus 4 over 3, right? And this 3, they cancel each other. So now I have to simplify this. What do we get if you multiply all of these things? That's equal to minus 14. And here we have x minus 4. Right? So I don't have here 7x and the 28. X minus 4. I should multiply 7 either by this number or by this thing. So you are multiplying this 7 by this and this 7 by this.
Okay, so we don't multiply that.
Now, you already used 7 for this number, you see, for this.
All right. 3x minus x.
Shahina, just for you another suggestion, not to confuse in this kind of situations. First, before you multiply this, remove this brackets. What we have here, if you remove this, we will have 2x minus 8 over 3, right? Then multiply by 21. Then you don't get confused.
Okay, so 2x, 2 times 4 over 3, so that will be 14x, right? 14x minus 28. 14x minus 28, right?
Yeah, Shahina, can you delete the last row, all?
Okay, so that'll
Now,
be
first write 21 times in brackets
x plus 3 over minus 2 over 3.
minus 8, right, Shahina? 2 times 4 is 8. And Shahina, here, 21 times 1, we know this 21. We don't have to write this again. Just write the answer. Because every step, if possible, you have to try simplify the expression.
Okay.
Okay, now remove the brackets.
X plus 9 minus 14x minus
Look, Shahina, here we have minus, minus, what is it? It is plus. So you need to write here plus.
Oh. 3x.
Shahina, simplify. Don't write again. Simplify. Now we have to simplify the like terms, right? Collect the like terms.
3x plus 14x, that is.
3x minus 14x. Minus 14x, right?
But it has already minus here, so when I put it there, it's fine.
What is 3 minus 14?
That is negative 11.
Okay, right. Negative 11x.
X minus.
Why minus? Why? Why minus?
Oh. 6.
Shahina, immediately, why don't simplify? Now we are simplifying. What is 9 plus 16? Just write the result here.
Okay. 6, that is 60. 21. Negative 11x. 21 minus 65. And then
Oh, Shahina, don't write again and again. Shahina, look. These calculations we have to do immediately. All right, here, what is 21 minus 65? No, just write it, write it and simplify. 21 minus 65. What is it?
okay. That is 44.
Minus 44, right? Because 65 is greater. Okay, now, right, x equals minus 44 over minus 11.
Oh, so then.
So we should divide both sides by negative 11, right?
Yeah, x equals 44 over 11.
Minus 11, minus 11.
Minus 11, which equals to 4x equals 4. Okay.
Okay. All right. Shahina, have some rest, okay? Maybe after 10 or 12 minutes, we will continue. Drink some tea or coffee, okay? Get some energy, okay?
Okay.